That's it, bro. Just after the way you look and
what's
the
happening?
size of
What they want is the quality of the companies. They get to buy.
But they bought it.
Yeah, you can eat some rice.
No, but he bought the food. He paid for that. I paid for that.
But you can't stay here.
No, but if food is being paid and he's eating it, what's the problem then? He paid the food is being bought, the coffee is spent like £8 and he's eating that food. Why not he have, is he not a human or what happened?
He's a human, but
No, but
all
no.
the time. And you just take
No, but now obviously he's eating his food. You can't just ask him to leave. Let him finish the food and then he can leave. What's the problem? The food is being paid.
He's gonna come back.
Sir, I understand that, but it's fine. He's eating his food.
All day.
I understand. Yeah, but then he's eating now, he's eating his lunch, then let him eat the food. And he's eating food. And then obviously if he's wasting your time, then you can't. My friend eat the food and then respectfully leave. And, yeah?
Ma'am, he didn't ask me for money.
Okay. It's not just you, alright? So, what they wanted to do, they wanted to trespass. So after we got the link there, okay, we let them know you can't come back on purpose ever again. Okay, alright. Have a nice day on you.
By the way, you guys suck for letting a homeless man see. He didn't even ask me for food. You guys suck. You guys suck. I'll never be back here. You guys suck. He didn't even ask me for food. I brought him from outside. You guys suck for giving him a trespass. Yes, you did. You suck. You suck.
Sir, please
Sir, what?
calm your voice. That's what I'm asking.
This is how I talk. I talk loud. If the officer has a problem with that, the officer is gonna arrest me.
Sir, you're being disorderly.
I'm not being disorderly.
Yes, you are.
The guy he didn't ask me for food. And I saw him across the street and I bought him over here and gave him food.
Okay, we're here because apparently he's asked multiple people, okay? Multiple people have complained. So it's not just you, okay? If management is asking you to quiet down,
I'm just asking you to quiet down. I don't even know what's going on, but you're yelling.
What's going on is you
That's
suck.
inappropriate.
You suck.
and
Yeah, I
you
brought him
too.
over. I brought him over.
Sir,
As soon as
first
they
off-
saw him, no, he's not getting food.
First
He's
off-
not getting food. I paid for his food. He's getting food.
Sir, calm down. I understand your compassion for others. I do. But you do not have to raise your voice ever. Especially to
Fuck
me,
if I
because
ever
haven't
come
done
back
anything
here
to you.
again. I ain't never coming back here again. Hell no.
That's fine with me. But right now, you do need to calm your voice. That's all.
You guys suck.
last name is Davis, first name James, date birth 1948.
I got my job in the kingdom. I got to get on down there and get it.
And I'm not stopping you from doing that. I've got to put this trespass on you.
Okay, I won't come back tomorrow.
Fucking crazy motherfuckers. McDonald's in Myrtle Beach. I bring a homeless guy from right here, bring him to eat, bring him inside. As soon as they see him, they tell him he can't eat. They call the cops for trespassing. The guy did nothing wrong. As soon as they saw him.
I'd like him removed now, please.
Okay.
Forget about this guy. He's done.
Sir, can you please leave premise?
Can I finish my food?
No, you have to leave right now.
Can I get a refund for my
He wants
food?
you out.
Can I get a refund for my food?
No, you cannot.
It's not me. I'm not civil court. 10-4, can you place an indefinite trespass on me from this property?
Can I get a refund for my food if I can't finish my food?
I cannot do that. I just explained to you, I'm not civil court. Okay? He wants you removed. You have to go. That's all. You can take his name.
Can I get his name, please?
Yep.
Can I get your name, please? Can I get your name, please?
I would like you to leave, sir.
Alright. Okay, can you just provide him with information?
I'm getting kicked out of here because I gave a homeless guy food, by the way, guys. Just so you know, I gave a homeless guy food. They're kicking me out. Yes, because you need to kick him out.
You're being disorderly.
No, because I'm being loud, because I'm telling you what you did was wrong.
Hey, listen, you have to leave. You you have to.
Yeah, I'll probably end up going to jail. That's what's
You're
gonna happen.
not gonna go to jail. I'm
Yeah.
asking you nicely.
Yeah, I want to sit here and finish my food. So then I want a refund.
You don't have that.
But when
What
when
I'm saying is, listen,
why
I'm not here to argue with you. I am the law, okay? You need to get your stuff and leave. That is all, okay? You want a refund, you gotta go through corporate. I am not corporate. I am here to tell you, get your stuff and leave.
Can I get my receipt, please? I want my receipt.
You got it? You got it?
No, I don't. I didn't get a receipt. May I get a receipt, please? No, I did not get a receipt. Can I get a receipt, please? Do you mind reprinting me my receipt, please?
Is that doable?
McDonald's in Myrtle Beach. I'm getting kicked out for giving a homeless guy food.
Okay, guys.
See right here on your tray.
All right.
You guys suck, though.
34 minutes. Actually, it's 40.
Come, I'll buy you food somewhere else. Come on, let's go somewhere. Come on. Come, jump in my car. Come on. I know you didn't. You don't need to. That's stupid. You know what you're doing is wrong. You know that already. Deep inside you, you know that. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's very wrong.
Hi guys, welcome back. As you have watched that video, please kindly drop your own opinion in this video. Do you want this homeless man to leave this restaurant, or do you want the homeless man to sit and finish eating before leaving? So tell me what you think about this video, and do not forget to share. Thank you.